Plants are super important for us. They give us the oxygen we breathe and the food we eat. But have you ever thought about how plants get food? Just like us, plants need food to live and grow big and strong. They also need food to make flowers and fruits. Getting and using food is called nutrition. Without good nutrition, plants would be weak and wouldn't grow well. So knowing how plants get their food helps us grow healthy plants. This is important for farmers who grow our food, and for anyone who wants a pretty garden. Before we learn about plant food, let's learn some important words. Plants are called autotrophs. That's a big word that means they can make their own food. They don't need to eat other living things. Animals like us are called heterotrophs. We can't make our own food, so we eat plants or other animals. Photosynthesis is how plants make their food using sunlight, water, and air. It's like a magic trick, but it's science. Chlorophyll is what makes plants green. It helps them grab sunlight, which is super important for photosynthesis. Stomata are tiny holes on leaves. They help plants breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. Knowing these words will make learning about plant food much easier. Now let's learn how plants make their food step by step. First, plants use chlorophyll to catch sunlight. Think of chlorophyll like solar panels collecting energy from the sun. Then, plant roots suck up water from the ground. This water goes up the stem to the leaves. Plants also take in carbon dioxide from the air through those tiny holes called stomata. Inside the leaves, the plant uses the sunlight's energy to mix the water and carbon dioxide to make food. This food is a kind of sugar called glucose. When plants make food, they also make oxygen, and that's what we breathe. This whole process is called photosynthesis, and it's super important for plants and everything that eats plants. Most plants make their own food through photosynthesis, like we just talked about, but some plants have other ways of getting food. Making your own food is called autotrophic nutrition. Some plants can't make their own food. They eat other plants or even dead stuff. These plants are called parasitic plants or saprophytes. For example, the Cuscuta plant doesn't have chlorophyll, so it can't make its own food. It grows on other plants and steals their food. Mushrooms are another example. They're saprophytes and they eat dead and rotting things. Learning how different plants eat helps us understand how amazing and different plants really are.